Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Unice. They sent over this gorgeous V-part wig. This is my favorite hair accessory when I want to get rid of or just take a break from the lace. It gives tape ends, sew ends, clip ends, just more of a more naturally aesthetic look, I guess you can say. I'm a wig girl all the way around. I'm here for the frontals, the closures, the V-parts, all of the things. But the V-part, again, is just such a great switch up to give it a break and, you know, let your hair get some vitamin D and some natural sunlight. So I did a quick little 10-minute install, maybe even like 5 minutes or less. Super simple and easy. This one came with a beautiful wavy texture. It gave like really curly and nice. So I'm going to jump into the tutorial. I have a link to this wig and all the details down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, little bugs, I have some things going on this weekend where I kind of want to give more of a non-frontal vibe. Let me close that mirror. Did I say mirror? I meant to say window, but I have some things going on this weekend where I don't want to give like the frontal vibe. I want to give more of a sew-in, tape-in vibe. So I'm going to switch to a V-part wig. And you guys know Unice has some of the best V-part wigs on the market. I've reviewed a few of them before, so this time I'm going for like a curled look, which should be really exciting. Lace is amazing, but it's not always the vibe. So luckily for me, I told you guys the other day I did like a nice big haircut to my hair, and I have it in these 2 braids. And then it's just been a week to say the least. Like you guys can see, my hair has already stamped out as a V-part. Let's see if I can get it. So because I've been in like the V-part mood or vibe, my hair is already stamped out in the V-part way. I have overextended the parting, which is an option. You don't have to, but I don't know, I just like it. And while we're here, I'm gonna give, I can see in the light how frayed my ends are, so I'm gonna give myself a quick trim. I've been really scissor happy this week, which is a good thing because my hair for sure needs it. But this is still going to be quick and easy. I'm going to take my little short pigtails because I cut off like 4 inches, and I'm just going to tie them back up into a ponytail. And I like to pull it or loosen it up because I am very tender-headed. If the ponytail is too tight, I'm going to put this back on just the back, and it really doesn't do much. I just am very tender-headed. Now here is the star of the show. Again, this is a V-part wig, and it has these beautiful, absolutely gorgeous curls. This is a body wave texture with a vibe. I'm gonna take some hairspray to preserve the curls, and you guys can see how gorgeous that is. It is a V-part and it's stamped out as a V, if you can see that shape. So we can easily just cut off the little tabs. Think of these tabs as how like when you get a lace wig and you have to cut off the excess lace. You don't keep these on, they have no purpose. They just more so are so that when you receive your head, it has a proper like shape, so that if you want to just sit the wig on a wig head before you install or whatever the case may be, it's just not flopping around straight out of the box. But again, it's shaped like a V. In the inside, you have combs along the hairline or where leave out will be, and this will secure the wig around your hair. And then there's one even in the center. The nape is a drawstring, which is really nice. I love these because sometimes V-part wigs tend to like be loose or flop in the back. You can do this one really tight, and then there's a stopper to be able to push it down and hold it in place. And with that, you can see like just how small you can get it. Now obviously my hair way bigger than that, so I'm gonna just give it some slack, and this should be good because again I want it to be tight in the back. Then of course they include the elastic band. This one is adjustable and removable, so should you not want it, you can remove it. Now normally with a wig I would just flip it back like this and put it on. With a V-part, it's best to kind of like swing it around and pull it on, and I made it so tight that I can already tell it's the perfect snug fit, so it doesn't like lift in the back. And then we're gonna pull this together, and forgive me, I'm looking through a mirror. You can see I can see the cap that I left on, so push that back, and then from here I'm gonna take just that first comb. I'm very tender-headed, like overly dramatically tender-headed, so typically I just will do that first comb, and with that the wig will still lay flat. And then I'm going to do the comb on this side as well, and you can hear if it's opening or closing. Put it through, adjust it down, and snap it closed. And then from here we can go ahead and style. So I heated up the flat iron because our hair is more in a blowout state, and then we can simply just, my hair almost has like a pre-parted So you can map out or line up your parting with your nose. I do this simply because it never fails. It's always perfect when I do it that way. They kind of just comb through and detangle your blowout. And just like that, the hair is gonna blend beautifully. Same thing on the opposite side. Awesome. I'm gonna take a brush. I'm gonna hold the base and kind of comb the curls out. And the reason I'm holding the base is simply because the hair will have a tendency to like pull if you go wrong. From here, I'm gonna take you can take a serum. I'm gonna take my Care wax. This is gonna cancel out some of the frizz, add some shine, kind of give it some hold as far as like blending my hair, rub it into my palms, and just kind of like press it down. This is a close-up of what it looks like. And you guys know my hair is very, I don't know if the word is low porosity, but like it does not hold a curl. So I wouldn't even try to like mimic these curls without frying my hair. And look how simple, easy it is. As I always mention, this look is just a little bit more inviting. You going to the bank trying to get a loan, meeting business people. I don't know. People just like the forehead and the hair. Even if it doesn't match, it just is a more inviting look. You can add a little serum to the ends, but this is what she looks like. And this is what she looks like from the back. Also, this is the drawstring. You can take and clip the hair up. So this here is the drawstring. Should you feel that you want yours tighter, you literally can just pull, grab that stopper and pull it tight as you want for a snug fit. Pull it down, and then you take your drawstring and just tuck it in. And there you go. It gives natural, normal, everyday girl. Looks cute pinned up like so. Then even when I take it down, still absolutely beautiful. So you can join the girlies who love to just have those tape ends and clip ends without frying your hair down. Okay, before we go, I wanted to show you guys the packaging. You guys know I love the cute little pink attention to detail from Unice. And inside we got some little goodies. We did get a pack of HD wig caps that are Unice brand, and you can find these exclusively at Unice. We also got a melt belt in the same color pink, as well as some beautiful pink press-ons. And they even gave us some little clippies which will help to just make the wig a little bit more custom to your liking should you need to use them. I'll have the link and all the details on mine down below. Thank you, Unice, for hooking your girl up. Be sure to check this one out. There is a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.